Alright, we're here today to do an unboxing of the Twintouch handheld massager. This was sent to me for my review. Let's open this up and see what we've got. See the box, okay. Double-ended massager, one-hand operation, deep tissue massage, 3 adjustable speed levels, Type-C charging, 100% waterproof. Ooh, I like that. There's that. There's the instructions. Ooh, I like the size of this thing. Ooh, nice and shiny. I like that. That's cool. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. It fits in the hand really nicely. All right? And I got big hands. All right. I like that. This could really. Oh yeah. Oh, I could definitely see this after a hard day of work. I like how the operation button's right there. There's high speed. And then there's the thumping. Waterproof. You can take this in the shower, the bathtub. There's a lot of things you can do with this one. So, and it is rechargeable. There it is. Cool. All right. There it is. The mini joint massager. It's portable. Amazon choice. Go ahead. Take a look at it.